Do you know many people are having trouble with understanding washing program durations on their machines? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Select Cotton 40C. Select the cotton program at 40C to run a cycle lasting 2 hours and 25 minutes, suitable for regular laundry loads. Step 2. Opt for Cotton 60C. Choose the cotton program at 60C for deeper cleaning of heavily soiled items, which lasts about 2 hours and 40 minutes. Step 3. Pick Easy Care. For Easy Care synthetic fabrics, choose 40C. This shorter cycle takes 1 hour and 15 minutes. Step 4. Run Delicate Cold. Use the Delicate Cold Wash for sensitive items. This gentle cycle finishes in 44 minutes. Step 5. Select Wool 30C. Set the wool program to 30C for a cycle that takes about 53 minutes, preserving the fabric's quality. By following these steps, you should be able to determine the duration of each washing program on your Ballet 3TS70105T. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Ballet users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.